A claw that can be operated with one hand. I named it Mechanical Transmission Claw. It can be said that it is very fun to grab things with it. A 5 centimeter wide card sheet. Let's stick them together with 5 of them. This can increase the strength of the paper. Let's make 2 pieces of such material. Take a 1 centimeter wide strip from the top to make a part. Take a total of 9 pieces. The remaining 1.5 pieces, draw 3 claw shapes on it and remove them. In addition, cut 3 pieces, a little bit longer than just now, as a part. Then take ordinary A4 paper and roll it into 2 kinds of paper sticks. The stick is a little shorter and can slide on the thin stick. Look at the parts we use. 2 sticks, 3 claw-shaped and 5 centimeter wide paper strips. 3 longer paper strips are all punched into a small hole. The long part is a 2-end punch hole. This claw part should be punched on both sides of the upper side. The 2 sides of the claw parts stick 2 short cotton sticks. Put glue on it. The parts installed can move. The other 2 claws are also glued. There are still 3 short ones left. Fold the end of the hole a little bit like this. It will be combined into such a shape. It has 3 intersections. In the middle of each intersection, another hole for the claws is installed.
Insert cotton sticks. The glue on both ends is the same. Make this claw move on it. The second claw. The third claw. I found that this stick was too thin during the production process, so I turned 2 thicker ones again to adapt to this claw. Fix the end of this long one to this triangle. Add glue to stick it. Now this claw is the same. There are still 3 long parts left. Fold it the same way. I will use the method just now to combine it into such a triangle. Before combining, stick this thick stick inside. Put it on the claw. Put the parts of the other end of the claw just now. Put it on both ends of this thick tube part. Insert cotton sticks. Add glue. Push this thick tube. This force will pass through this mechanical arm to the claw. Therefore, it drives the movement of the claw. In order to operate with one hand, I need to add some anti-slip keys here. That is to add it out. The finger has a gripping point, more convenient. With the anti-slip key added out, you can achieve one-handed operation. We can look at the movement of the claw from different angles. It can even be operated with one finger. Very convenient. The exquisite mechanism makes it very easy to grab things. If you also like my creative handicrafts, please give me a like to collect and comment.